Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make from your photo as a favorite image. So first of all we open photo, we tap on photo, and then camera roll, for example, or any albums. So camera rolls, and for example we choose any photo you want, for example this one. So how you add to as a favorite image to different album, to be added to different album, you just click on tap on heart-shaped symbol. This is here, heart-shaped symbol. Just tap, and now it's blue. Once it's blue, go back, leave this album and go to favorite, and now you see is on in favorite album. Favorite. This is on any iPhone, you can do so. This is I got iOS 12.4. Thanks for watching. Please stay connected, share and subscribe my channels. Take care. Bye.